We're still working on our pre-algebra skills review, and we're finding the value of each algebraic expression. So x minus 9 when x is 14, we're just going to say 14 minus 9, and that gives us 5. And then s over r plus 6 when s is 24, r is 2. So basically 2 into 24 gives us 12, and then when we add 6 to that, we get 18. How about c squared minus b squared when c is 12 and b is 10? So we have 12 squared minus 10 squared, which gives us 144 minus 100, because 12 squared is 12 times 12, which gives us 144, and 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. So our answer there is going to be 45.